What is up, guys? We're at Latvia's Ethnographic Center for their 49th annual craft fair. And it is the most popular event of the year. It's gonna be so packed, but it's a gorgeous day, and I'm excited to explore this place. We got a pretzel to start off the day.
Is it good?
Yeah. So close to your face. We just tried fermented bee pollen and it was disgusting. And the taste is like repeating.
Oh, it's fermented.
Yeah, it's repeating in my mouth, so we need to find some wine, I think. Dominic needs beer immediately. Yeah. Okay, we just made it to the food court. We're gonna get some beer and food. Yeah, this is the outdoor food court. And as you just saw, there's tons of pottery, jewelry, and handmade items that were for sale. And we already bought a few things that we're gonna show you when we get home. So these houses behind me are models of houses that were in Latvia hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It's so cool. So you can actually visit this any time of the year. This is the Ethnographic Museum. That is like 30 minutes right outside of Riga. We are going to go in that house and check it out and see how these people lived in the back, back in the day. Couldn't ask for a more beautiful day today. The sun out. It was raining for so long here the past few days, but we want a snack and this looks really good.
Those fries look pretty good.
Those fries look so freaking good. We just got some lunch. I got a sausage, some cabbage and french fries, and Dominic got pork sandwich. So hungry, I'm ready to dig in. Okay, we just got home from the craft fair. We were there for 5 hours and I'm exhausted. But I want to show you what we got. We didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but there's always next year. Okay, so we got some really delicious bread with nuts and seeds in it, local honey. I got these earrings, which are amber, but they're the green colored amber, which I've never seen before, and I just love studs like this, so I had to get them. Only €9. And then Dominic got this. We think it's either iron or steel, but it's a bottle opener, and it is heavy duty and pretty badass. So yeah, that is our haul from the Arts and Crafts Fair. A lot of fun, highly recommend. So I hope you guys liked today's vlog. I am back with lots and lots of vlogs here in Riga because there's always something going on every single weekend in the summer. So we're always out and about. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up and be sure to stick around and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.